Hello everyone, get ready with me to a camping. I'm Juliana Talaro, your guide through. So we have here a 5 camping basic skills. First is how to pinch a tent. Second is first aiding. Third is basic knot tying. Fourth, fire building. And fifth is bolo handling. Then lastly is a reminder, a wilderness trail set. Next, so first, yun nga, how to pinch a tent. So sa pag-pinch, kailangan natin pick a flat and clear spot to pinch your tent. So, and remove any debris. So, ganyan. So, lay down the ground sheet in position and unpack the tent part and tools. So, yan na nga. So, anim, ay marami kami dyan. Anim yung poles na nandun. Kasi yung tent namin is 9, good for 9 to 12 persons. So, kaya ikot kami buo. Tapos yung yung nasa gitna na last pole na pinagit natin is hindi siya pantay dun sa ibang poles. So, third step is assemble the tent poles and connect them, and to the tent body and raise the tent. So, cover the tent body with the rain fly and secure it in place. So, yung nakita nyo, nilagay nga ako sa gitna. Then, lastly, peg the tent in properly and stick out the tent. So, yun, yung peg, yung itsura ng peg para siyang tako, yung pael. So, kailangan yung ulo niya, kailangan nakapinch sa ground. So, yun yung magiging parang pang stable dun sa tent. So, next. Yung second skill natin, which is yung first aid. So, first aid, alam naman natin yung CPR, transporting a victim, and bandaging. So, here, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-CPR. So, kailangan ibaba yung victim na kailangan naka-straight yung back niya para ma-injure. So, kailangan na i-check yung surroundings. Ayun, i-check natin kung hindi kasama siyang relative or family dun sa area. So, yun nga. Pag-check ng consciousness niya ng victim is kailangan ikat natin yung shoulders o kaya yung arms natin. Ikat natin sa position. So, kung hindi nagre-respond, tuloy ang defense. So, i-check natin dito kung may breathing rate ng victim, kung nag-breathe pa ba siya. So, kailangan after nun, kaya tayo gagawa ng CPR. sometimes interesting interface. Ayan, so kailangan natin i-lean yung head ng victim. Diyan. Diyan. So yun nga, continue the CPR until maka-arrive yung alveoli. So next first aid natin, which is yung transporting a victim. So itong napili ko is fireman flight. So kailangan nakatukod yung yung paa yung sa victim para may stand yung victim, may stand yung standing ng position ng victim. So raise the ankle slightly after over your head. So yun yung then lean over the grip, the person over your back, hanging their previous left arm around your neck and to the front of your chest. So lastly, with your other arm, weave into between their legs and grab the grip arm holding the body and to look around your upper body. So yan, kailangan nakalock yung shoulders. So, bakit ito important? So, yung purpose nito is eventually distribute the weight of person's body with your own. So, while both remaining stable and keeping a free hand available for whatever you need. So, this will allow you to carry more weight to further distance. Next is yung kung paano tayo mag-bandage ng ankle. So as we can see, yung kailangan yung ankle at the roughly 90-degree angle yung start ng wrapping near to the ball of your foot. So wrap the bandage around the foot and ankle several times na figure 8 pattern. So, overlapping the bandage and avoiding gaps or wrinkles. So wrap the bandage above and below the joint and keep it somewhat taut with a light cloth. So, ganito kung paano mag-bandage ng ankle. So, first knot natin is square knot. So, yung next skill natin ito, basic na tying. Under, and then left over right, under. Then, kulang natin yung ball. So, sa next knot natin, which is bowling knot. So, itong left, so, walang gamit siya sa review and so third knot natin is shift dent. So yung left side ganito natin and then pasok sa loob under ganyan and then pasok ulit pataas sa loob ng loop and then hila hilahin natin. Ayan. So para lang din siyang pero hindi. Ganito siya. Ganito siya. So sa fourth knot natin which is club hinge. Itong right natin. Ikot na sa taas. And then pasok na lang to. Hila. Ayan. Simple as that. Club hinge. So the last knot natin which is two half hinge. So ito ganito siya yung left side sa left side natin natin. So ito left over right tapos under ganyan tapos pasok mo pataas tapos pasok mo ulit dito sa right sa hila. So ano ganyan line nyo ganyan kailangan mo ito sa hila. So ganito ang itsura. Ito yung half hip. So first knot natin is square knot. So ito yung right, ito yung left side. So right over left. Under. So next natin is yung 5 building skills. So yun na kapag lagyan na tayo ng mga tweaks. First yung tweaks natin. Then next yung medium tweaks. Ayan. So mas okay kung mas marami yung tweaks. So tapos as we can see yung mga bow na yung last ko nilalagay dito. So ayan. Yung tawag natin dito sa so 5 building na to is yung TP. Yung TP building. So ganyan din. Tapos nilalagyan ko siya ng more tweaks. Tapos yan, nilagyan ko rin siya ng dry leaves. Para mas tumagal yung apoy natin. So as we can see, nag-start na yung offer. So for last natin na deal is yung bolo hunting. So yun nga, yung pinaka-easy na method sa bolo is yung chopping. So yan, ganyan, parang magbabako na kayo sa halfway ng pag-bake. So yun, kakanan gagawa yung chop natin para mabakbak and matuto. So ayan sa splitting, pag pumasok na yung bolo natin, so pwede mo na siya ipapot. Yun na yun. So yun kung paano yung bolo. So next is yung reminder natin sa pagka-counting sa wilderness trail signs. These are the common trail signs na nakikita natin kapag may-counting tayo. So yung una is yung parang two rocks na magkakatong. Yun yung straight ahead. So kung may katabi siyang rock, pangatlo, which is it's called turn right. Then sa turn left, yun naman eh yung pangatlong rock kung nasa left side. Tapos meron din tayong 4 rock na makikita. So yung don't go this way. So kapag nakaikot naman yung rock, i-hagdan ko. So meron pa tayo dito triangle, pa-arrow. So, pwede din yun straight ahead. Then, pa-arrow din sa right, pwede din yung right. Then, drop din na arrow sa sign after. So, yun nga. Ito yung mga signs na don't go this way. 5 rocks or 4 rocks pwede siyang sign. So, pwede din gawin siyang halfway na arrow. Ganyan. O kaya i-korte nyo na lang sa mga puno. So, ganito lang yung signs na makikita mo. O kaya, sa puno niyo makikita. So, yun lang guys. Thank you sa pag-watch. And this is Juliana Galan.